Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Well, on today's sports card video, we are opening up 2023-2024 Upper Deck Metal Universe Hockey. As you can see right on here, you can collect one base set star card per pack. 7 cards in a pack. I really like these cards. They are condition sensitive. So when you're opening these, you got to be really careful. There's all sorts of inserts in here. Parallels and everything. You can get a Connor Bedard rookie card in here. I think it's valued at right now between $15 and $20. It's one of his lower end ones. So it's really affordable. So let us get this open here. Okay. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I do pack breaks on hockey cards, baseball, basketball, and football. And I like to share. I love the hobby. I've been in business with sports cards since 1989, basically, when I had my store. So, first one here is Seth Jarvis. Lennox Ullmark. Zach Western Sky. Yeah, look at that. Look at the ships in the background. Yeah, I like cards like this here. Thought there was 2 there, but it's just a little bit thicker of a card. And because they're metal like that, you can tell that they're condition sensitive. So we have a Quinton Byfield. And now we have our star card here. All right, come on, Connor Bedard. Oh, Alexander Ovechkin. And that's pretty darn good right there. Right on. He just broke Wayne Gretzky's scoring streak and all that kind of good stuff. So that is awesome. And the last couple cards here are Vincent Dencharis and Thomas Tague. Or Tague Thomas, sorry. All right. So this here is the Alexander Ovechkin, number 123, Blue Spectrum. Right there. And it's worth $12 Canadian. Very cool. I love it. Did I mention? I don't think I forgot to mention, but this was a gift from my daughter. She bought this for me at Walmart. I think the pack was under $7. I do believe. Very cool. If you haven't yet, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Into the next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you then.